Oh, oh, oh. The clouds kept getting dark. The rain started to pour down as hard as it could. The wind came out of nowhere and started blowing so hard we couldn't even handle it. And nobody knew where it came from. But we all knew that it would be over soon. We all knew it would, so we kept on our hope. We all were scared, but we stayed inside. And the next day, the sun was out, the clouds were gone, the rain started to drip down the road. The ground was wet, but we didn't care because the sun would dry it up soon. And so we were all happy. Everybody was happy, and everybody knew it would come soon. But it wasn't now, so we should enjoy it. Happy spring, and that's my song this spring. Y'all already know me. Mary Sullivan. I'm back. See you soon.